the name or the username or the category of your Facebook page. It's very easy to do when you know how. So, first of all, you have to go to your Facebook page, and you can do that very easily by go to that little triangle in the top right of the Facebook bar and find your page and click there. Or if you know your Facebook page username, the URL of your page is going to be facebook.com and then your username, and you just have to type there, enter, and you will be on your Facebook business page. Then you have to find your Facebook tab, that is the About tab here. Sometimes you will see more to see all of them. You click on the See More link and then you will find About, and then you click on it. That will take you to this page that you already are seeing it here. So go to your Facebook page, step number 1. Step number 2 is go to the About tab, and then you can edit under this general section here your category, your name, and your username. Just click on the edit in that line. So for the category, just click on the edit there. Comes this pop-out window where you can add up to 3 different categories, and this helps people find your page. Don't forget to save if you do any changes, otherwise just click the X or cancel. For the name, is exactly the same. You click the edit there, and it will pull out a pop-out window. Read the information there. There are certain rules for the names that you can pick, and you should do this in a strategical way because Facebook puts some limits to the number of times that you can change the name. So just read that and pick a name that you are happy with, and then follow the instructions of the system to confirm that change. If you are not changing the name, just cancel there for now. And the username, you click on the edit there, and here is where you can change the username. You also should think very strategical about the username because it's going to be part of your URL. That is how you take people to your page. So you don't want to be always changing this because you can have broken links and you don't want that. And I put here some information about the best usernames. You cannot, it has to be something that is unique. So if somebody is already using that username, you have to think about something different. It has to be only with alphanumerical characters, A to Z and 0 to 9. You can use periods on it, but you cannot use .com or .net. It has to be at least 5 characters long. And notice that even if you put the dots like John.Smith55 of John.Smith.55 is the same as John Smith 55 without any dots, because for URL, the dots don't count. And you can, of course, not be impersonating somebody else or another company. So just keep that in mind. Pick a username that makes sense and click Create Username. So here I'm going just to cancel. And then you just have to confirm everything by going to the page to see it there. If you want to see the front page, go to the top left there where it says page and click, and that will take you to your page, to the home. Is loading now here to the home. And you are done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this, and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Melikian, the founder of TechTipforCoaches.com.